Replacing an old digital motherboard that is broken with the current new smart motherboard for an LG 32-inch TV. Checking if there is any defect with the T-con and any other part of the motherboard. This is the old motherboard. I've removed both clips. It doesn't have the LAN port, yes, and the Wi-Fi dongle. This is the new motherboard. It has two tuners, the Ethernet port that you can connect to the internet. This is the Wi-Fi dongle to connect the TV wirelessly. Both motherboards look almost identical, but if you check keenly, one has two HDMIs, the other doesn't have, and the other one, as we have checked earlier, has the Ethernet port. Now testing the screen to check if it's working. Yeah, there is a picture. Great, the motherboard is okay. Now fixing it back and fixing all the screws back while removing the dust. Follow for more videos like this.